welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in my last video I showed you my first pair of Nike sneakers that I've gotten, which were also one of my favorites. And today I want to show you one of a very special model that I own from Nike. They are also brand new. I've just got them and I also didn't get to wear them, but I will do it soon. This time it is the same model. It's like this one. I will just show it to you. Also, I will tell you the exact name of the shoe. So it's the Nike Air Force 107 SE. The other ones were kind of the same name, but they were like a little bit different. So this time I will show you this beautiful pair of shoe, guys, which you can see is like a bomb of color. This is like cream color. I hope you can see it properly. It's not really white color, so it's like very light ivory color, cream color, in combination with this beautiful and very rare burgundy color, which I love. Also, you can see this burgundy color all over the shoe, also inside. I will just show it to you. The inside sole is also in cream white color, but here at the margins of this shoe you can also see this burgundy beautiful color, and also the Nike logo on the side, which you have on both sides, is first of all in the cream color, and then it's also printed in this beautiful burgundy color, which you can find all over the shoe. And now let's come to this beautiful sole, which is like in the same color, only here you find a little bit of cream color again. So you see this shoe is really made out of just two colors, which are so beautiful, and in combination they are just a hit color, guys. It's a really nice eye-catcher, which I find so beautiful. Also, what I really like is this beautiful writing on the back of the shoe, which says like Nike Air. I like it a lot because I like it when you see from the behind of the shoe how it's named and also what kind of shoe it is. I think it's like very chic. On the front of the shoe you see again the Nike logo here with the number 1 in black color, which is very cool. And also the band-aids are in white and cream color this time, with a little bit of golden accents, guys, which is so beautiful from this shoe. You can see the golden accents here on the front and here on the sides where the band-aids are made in. It's so beautiful and it really suits to this color combination, guys. I didn't see many Nike shoes with this beautiful golden hardware, would I say, but this one is really a unique shoe, which also you need to like, because if you don't like it, then if you don't like this color, then you won't wear this shoe, guys. Also, what I find very interesting is this beautiful white line here on the back of the shoe, which is like on the sole. And again, I really love the sole from the Air Force models because they are a little bit higher and they're not too tight, and also you can walk in them a lot and you won't feel everything on the ground. So yeah, guys, this is a super nice shoe, which I'm really in love with, and I can't wait to share it with you. Also, my walking in it I will tell you a little bit later in another video, when I will do a review with this whole shoe when I walked in them. This pair is definitely belongs to my most favorite Nike shoes that I've just recently gotten. Yeah, I hope you like the color as I do. I love this burgundy color, and I think for girls it's like such a beautiful color that you can combine with a lot of things. You can do it with some black leggings or just with your blue jeans. You can wear it to so many combinations of style that I can't even tell you enough. But this shoe, all in all, you won't do anything wrong with buying it. I think it's a beautiful investment to have such a beautiful shoe from the Nike collection, and also this color combination is a little bit rare, so you have to be aware to find this beautiful color in stores. I purchased it online and I was so happy to find my size, which is I think a 37.5. And also this shoe cost 130 euros, just like my last pair of Nikes, and I think like this price is the standard price at Nikes for a lot of shoes and a lot of shoe models at the Nike store. But yeah guys, this is my brand new shoe. Also, if you like this beautiful color combination, please like my video, comment it and subscribe to my channel.